Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand dishwasher and you need to do a reset on it to get it back to its settings, its normal settings. Maybe it's acting funny, maybe it's giving you some error codes that you can't get rid of. So there's a couple things that you can try. The first one is on certain models there is a heated dry and a normal wash button, and if you go in sequence, heated dry, normal wash, heated dry, normal wash, you do that twice. So heated dry, normal wash, heated dry, normal wash. If you do that, you'll see it'll go through the lights on it, it'll go through a whole reset process. But if you want to do a true hard reset on it, the only way to really do that is to do it the old-fashioned way, which is to make sure it's turned off and then to unplug it. And if you can't unplug it, you can't reach the plug, you got to turn it off at the circuit. Once you do that, you leave it disconnected from power for at least a minute, and the longer the better, really. And once you restore power to it, it will go through a reset cycle, or the startup cycle, and everything will be back to its original settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.